Scratch moderation is terrible, and there are a lot of videos explaining exactly what is wrong with it. Things like unfair bans, vague community guidelines, preferential treatment are some of the worst things that Scratch moderation is infamous for. So in this video, I'll show you how to avoid getting banned on Scratch, as I'm the only Scratch YouTuber that hasn't ever got banned. So let's get started. The first point is keep your username as bland as possible. Do not use any type of creative combinations that contain words that might trigger the Scratch team. For example, the username Sullybully Night Fight contain the words bully and fight, which Scratch team probably does not like. Do remember that Scratch team does not care about creativity or context in any situation whatsoever. You trigger them, you get banned. So make sure to not make this mistake. The second thing is do not put effort in making your games. Do not make high quality games or projects, no matter what. The Scratch team hates hard work, and if they see your high quality game, they will take it down. Now you might ask, well, what do I make then? Good question. Open the explore page and see what is trending. Pick the project you want, save it to your computer, and then load it as your own project. Now change the name of the project to something else and post it as your own. Trust me, you will get a lot of views and followers from this. Jokes aside, I've personally done research on this, and let me tell you, it actually works. And the third point is make comments either like a parent or like a kid. Be over positive. Never criticize any aspect of any project on Scratch, no matter what. Only see the good in everything, even when there is none. Also make sure to ignore reality while commenting. Do not mention any social media app, as that might get you silenced for long periods of time. The fourth thing is never mention any Scratch related mod or extension anywhere on the website, because as I said, Scratch team hates creativity. A group of people making Scratch experience better, and that too for free, that really crosses the line for Scratch team. So in conclusion, do not be creative, original, or even real on Scratch. Make sure everything you do makes Scratch team happy, because if you don't, you will get banned. Even following what I just told you might not be enough to avoid getting banned, as their community guidelines are very vague and it does not properly tell what can or cannot get you banned. You will not be warned, taught, or even properly communicated with. Just straight up banned.
What was your experience with Scratch moderation?
So for my past two videos, I've been banned permanently in both of them, and I've gotten my accounts deleted. So I'm not sure if this is like something like with like new scratchers or something, but yeah, both my accounts have gotten deleted, and it's really annoying because I was doing 7-day challenges, so I was losing time.
What was the reason for the bans?
I'm not even entirely sure. So for the first one, I was not sure at all. And for the second one, it was spam, but I wasn't even really spamming. I was just like asking people for feedback.
But wait, there is actually a way to use Scratch the way you want and do whatever you want without getting banned. And that is being super popular on it. Leave your thoughts down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.